Hey guys, it's Candus and I want to invite you to my workshop on Friday. So this is my tax time year-end tune-up workshop where I'm basically going to show you what areas of QuickBooks you need to be checking before you go see your tax professional. That way when you walk in, you can hand them your report and feel confident that everything's in the right places and you don't have any mistakes, or if you do, you know exactly what's wrong and you can ask them questions so that you can fix them if that's the case. So recently I was talking to one of my one-on-one clients and she said, hey Candice, I went to my tax professional and he wanted to know why my accounts receivable on my balance sheet is negative and I have no idea how to fix it. So we were able to go in and fix it, but that's the kind of stuff I want to teach you guys. How do you fix those problems before you show up so that you are ready to go? So if you've already done your taxes and your stuff's messed up, this is the way to fix them. And if you are and you haven't done your taxes, you're ready to go see your tax professional. The benefit is tax time is one time a year. But what you're learning, you can actually apply throughout the whole year. So you know how to be pulling your reports and reading them. And you know how, if there is something wrong on one of your reports throughout the year, how to go in and fix it. That's my goal for you guys, to teach you really how to use the software so that you create confidence, right? So I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. It's a free workshop. You do have to register to be able to attend and get the link. I will be doing a live Q&A at the end. And I look forward to seeing you guys there. Make sure you register. Bye.